So we are here at the home of two beautiful ladies and their pigs. I'm afraid I'm overfeeding them. I don't want them to get pot bellies. So they are both rescue pigs and we're gonna be able to photograph them. And my goal here is to get some environmental portraits, show them in their space, indoor and outdoor. Come on in. How did you come to be a pet pig owner?
I don't know. I think I genetically have a love for pigs. And intelligent, but standoffish. I'm like, that sounds like the right one for me.
Oh, that's so cute. I want to get some good close-ups and tight shots. I want to show them eating.
Yeah, if they're truly aggressive for the food, she'll bite you.
Oh,
but
good to know.
She doesn't do that. I mean, it's
good to know.
Pigs.
And then hopefully get some more beauty shots, as like think of it, in terms of get more creative. This is awesome. Reflection, water reflection, and just play. Okay. Okay. Okay, you just booed up my lens. Where's my lens hood? What was I thinking? Hi, baby. Hi. So one of the things I'm trying to do right here is get as shallow depth of field as I can on her face. I'm trying to shoot low to get some perspective of that belly. What about this as some foreground, a little water? What do you think? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Because I was shooting at a shallow depth of field, I'm not getting clear reflection. So I want to quickly adjust to get a deeper field of focus so I can get all of that. So I'm shooting this at an f10 and I'm trying to get both water pools in the shot. Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. That was so perfect. A lot of finding shots that are a bit more creative and a different take happens to be constantly looking for foreground and background, and finding a new angle can get you a very different looking shot than what you were starting out. Look at this little guy coming in, he's looking.
Come on, Lori Lulu, come on in.
We're loving you. In a moment like this, the backlighting is strong in terms of the angle I'm shooting from, so I need to quickly try to manage my exposure as best I can by switching over to a spot metering option. It would be helpful from a lighting perspective to grab a flash and put some fill light in, but I don't want to miss the moment by running and getting a flash, lighting it perfectly, and missing the heart of it. So I'm really trying hard to be able to offer her food and shoot at the same time without gooing up my camera, and it's a bit of a challenge. I have time now to get my flash. This bounce is so perfect that if I try to bounce it against this, it'd be a little too bright. And although I can quickly adjust, her expression is right here, right now. Oh, I love it. This ends up becoming almost more of an architectural shot where I'm trying to make sure I don't get warped angles on the building, and then also show the pigs in their home. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm just gonna get just really wide shot. I'm backing up quite a bit. There we go, that's pretty. Hi, sweetheart, I love the bowl. I love how she turns out the bowl. Hi, Carmen. How about I approach you more gingerly so I don't alarm you? The thing that people don't necessarily recognize by what's considered food animals is the varying personalities. You've got irritable ones, you've got shy ones, you've got vivacious ones. Yep. And you've got nervous ones. Oh, cute baby. What I love about this shot is it takes a minute to get to the right pose and look with your subject, and also being able to really maximize that reflection makes all the difference in the world. Being able to really reflect the architecture in a shot means backing up, getting a really clean look at the angles, and letting the pig do its thing. You are so gentle. You're so sweet. Can I pet you? What do you think? Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's a wrap. And you're gonna take your little booty and leave. I'm taking my booty and I'm out.